Dear future me, I promise you, 2023 will be your year. I know you have what it takes to build a life you can't stop thinking about. You just have to believe it.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make your own Afro bun using this very affordable hair bun. And this hair bun is about $1. Like, it used to be lesser than this, but well, it's $1 now. So, and you'll be needing a crochet pin, bobby pin for your installation. You definitely need your T-pins and the type of hair you want to use. So now this is just to let you guys know that you can use absolutely any type of hair that you have with you. But I am using this natural twist from Darling extension, and I just love it. I love the curl pattern of this particular extension, which is very, very nice. So both of this now is costing about $2, no, more than $2 actually. So, but the thing is, we're not going to be finishing the extension. We're using like a quarter, not even up to a quarter of the extension, and you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about in this video. So the first thing I did was to take my hair bun and pin it to my mannequin head using my T-pin and my colored pin. So you want to make sure that you actually pin it out as much as you can, because I realized while making this that from the force of pulling and like crocheting the extension to the hair bun, it could make it pull out. So at some point I actually went ahead to also pin it down in the middle. So I used 3 strands from this natural twist extension from Darling, and I went ahead to cut it into the desired length that I wanted. So I didn't want something too long because I wanted it to look or to have the illusion of my hair whenever I would be using it, because my hair is actually short, so it would not make sense if I make it too long. Do you guys understand? So I went ahead to cut each strand of the Afro extension into 4. If you want it longer, you can go into 2 or go into 3, depending on the length you want, like totally depending on the length you want. So I did mine into 4, and I definitely love the outcome. Like, it looks very natural and it looks very chic. So you don't want to miss or stop watching at this point. Like, you want to continue watching this video. If you're new on my channel, I am ADUNNI'S, and I am a creator based in Abuja, Nigeria, and I share tutorials like this, and also I share vlogs like once in a while. Like, rarely. I haven't shared a vlog in a long time, but I think I will be posting a vlog very soon, like very, very soon. So now I am starting to crochet my extension from the lower part. So now, depending on how full again you want, like, a lot of the outcome of your bun depends on you. So for me, I wanted it to look very natural and very full. So I started crocheting from the bottom part, and I was moving upward, and I was actually working in sections. So I didn't go round all at once. I was working in section and building it up. That way I would not be skipping any part, and I would know that one part is done before moving to the next part. I don't know if you guys understand what I am trying to say, but if you keep watching, you would see exactly what I am talking about and what I did in the video.
Yeah, I might be playing games, but I've been hurt before. I don't wanna get my heart broken, no, I don't wanna love no more. I'm always on defense, cause I know you're a striker. You seen a challenge, now you want more. And me, I can't give you anything, cause I'm treading carefully, cause I don't wanna be a scapegoat. Once bitten, twice shy at the airword. Yeah, I'm treading carefully, cause I don't wanna be a scapegoat. Once bitten, twice shy at the airword. Oh, I hope you don't come running. Hope you don't come running home when you see somebody. When you see somebody new. I hope you don't come running. Hope you don't come running home when you
upwards to the top part, and this part might get a little bit tricky because you definitely want it to have that natural look that when you put it on your hair it feels like it is just your hair, like people will really know it's an extension, like it's going to give the illusion of, oh, this lady's hair, like this babe's hair. So that's the illusion it's going to give. So you want to make sure that in the upper part you're going to maintain the curl pattern, like you're not going to scatter the what's it called, you're not going to scatter the extension too much. So you're going to be very careful while crocheting the hair, and you will just take it in beats. Now, as compared to the sizes that I was using from the bottom, the upper part I was using very tiny strands, like very little strands. I wasn't crocheting too much. I'm not sure if you guys can notice what I am saying from the video, but you are going to make sure that you're setting it like in circular motion. Now in circular motion, like I don't know, I think you guys should just watch what I am doing and you will get my point exactly. So I kept going on round and round and round until I had covered all of the area that was left on top, and I also did it down in between, so it's covered up and it's not showing the hair bun, like the extension it's going to cover all the bun. Do you guys understand? Exactly. So now that I am done, I'm just going ahead to fluff it out and give it a little trim so it looks shaped. Do you guys understand? Like it looks shaped, it looks natural. So you can just go ahead to trim it to your specification. And I love the fact that I could style it in any direction that I want, and you guys are going to see what I'm talking about in a minute. And it was giving like a fringe effect. Like I liked it so much. I absolutely love the outcome. The outcome was really nice. So you just want to keep trimming till you are okay, but do not go overboard so you don't end up making it too small. So to care for this, all you need is just water and your leave-in conditioner to style it. That is absolutely all you need. It's a very minimal styling, and it's just a very, very effective and fast to do. And this took me less than, I would just say this took me an hour plus filming to do. Like this took me just 1 hour to film, and in total I spent 800 naira plus 1,300 naira, and that is 2,100. But I didn't finish the extension, so I would say I spent less than $2. If you're new on my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.